If your skin feels dry, tight, or irritated, no matter what you use, your skin barrier might be the real issue. In this video, we're talking about skin barrier repair, what actually helps your skin heal, and what may be making things worse without you even realizing it. People think they just have dry skin, but dryness that doesn't improve, stinging products, or constant flaking are often signs that the skin barrier is compromised, not that you need stronger products. Understanding this difference is key to real skin barrier repair. The skin barrier is the outermost protective layer of your skin. Its job is to keep moisture inside the skin and protect you from irritants, bacteria, and environmental stress. When the barrier is healthy, skin feels calm, balanced, and hydrated. But when it's damaged, moisture escapes easily and the skin becomes more reactive. Some common signs of a damaged skin barrier includes tightness, flaking, redness, and products that suddenly sting or burn. You may also notice that even rich moisturizers don't seem to help for very long. These are signals that your skin needs repair and protection, not more stimulation. Effective barrier repair focuses on three main things: protecting the skin, sealing in moisture, and giving it time to heal. This usually means simplifying your routine, avoiding harsh ingredients, and choosing products that support the barrier instead of stripping it. Some ingredients are especially helpful for skin barrier repair. Lightweight oils like squalane help prevent moisture loss without clogging pores. Stable oils like meadow foam and rice bran help reinforce the skin's natural lipid structure. And gentle butters like mango butter help seal moisture into the skin while keeping it soft and protected. One of the biggest things that slows skin barrier repair is overdoing it. Too much exfoliation, harsh cleansers, or constantly switching products can keep the skin in a stressed state. Fragrance overload and strong actives can also delay healing, especially when the barrier is already compromised. Skin barrier repair doesn't require complicated routines or aggressive treatments. It's about protecting the skin, sealing in moisture, and being consistent with gentle and supportive ingredients. When the barrier heals, everything else works better. If you want help choosing barrier supporting ingredients and building a simple routine, I've created a free skin barrier repair guide you can download using the link in the description. And if you find this helpful, you can watch the next video where we talk about the best oils for dry, barrier damaged skin.